My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Hajd. Hajd is the ransomware, the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to considerably damage all the files that the customers store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Because of certain existing vulnerabilities and leaks in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be injected into the system and start damaging the files. So before the ransomware attack, you have just seen that there were no problems opening the files. But because of certain outdated anti-malware databases, this ransomware may enter the computer and start performing its malicious actions. So after people restart their computers, they soon realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. And these are the results of the ransomware attack. You may clearly see that when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the HAJD extension. First thing I recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. So if you find any suspicious processes like this one running in the background, right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software called Combo Cleaner. It will help you to detect this ransomware and to get rid of it effectively. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the program and begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to identify all other traces of malware, adware, or ransomware on your system and to get rid of them effectively. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You may click on this Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of the program has been successfully updated, the program Combo Cleaner begins scanning and researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner Premium, which is called Anti-Ransomware. This feature works very well when it comes to protecting your data. You can add one or several folders on your computer, and they will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this is the feature that is the part of the premium license. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats and you'll be able to remove some of them manually, but we do recommend upgrading to premium to remove them altogether and automatically.